Oklahoma, U.S., May 8, 2026.
Holy shit! Holy...
Severe thunderstorms carrying 70 miles per hour wind gusts and golf ball-sized hail moved across central Oklahoma on Friday, May 8, 2026, prompting multiple National Weather Service warnings. The weather system impacted the Oklahoma City metro during the evening commute, with severe conditions expected to persist through the Mother's Day weekend. This evening, a destructive severe storm tore through Canadian County, northern Tulsa County and Osage County, producing large hail and damaging winds across Yukon, Owasso, Collinsville, Claremore, Chickasha, Avant, Skiatook, and Sperry. Large hail has been reported in many areas. Reports from the area describe hail covering the ground, near zero visibility during the storm, and significant damage to roofs, siding, vehicles, and property. In Collinsville, they experienced severe ice buildup on the highways and downtown. Reports indicated numerous vehicles suffered damage, including shattered windshields due to the size and volume of falling ice. Meanwhile, in Yukon, hail larger than quarters was reported covering the ground, making it look like January. Meanwhile, infrastructure disruptions occurred in the Owasso area. Owasso police reported downed power lines in several locations, causing road closures such as on Garnett Road and complete gridlock on 116th Street North. Amateur videos from local residents provide dramatic visuals of the intensity of the hailstorm that struck Oklahoma on Friday night, May 8, 2026. Many videos show yards and streets in Yukon and Collinsville turning completely white within minutes, resembling a thick snowdrift in the middle of spring. Footage from inside vehicles reveals a loud, continuous thumping sound, described as falling boulders, as hailstones hit car roofs and windshields. Furthermore, some residents captured the phenomenon of a bruised green sky, a classic visual indication that the cloud contains large, dense ice nuclei. Videos from Northwest 164th and May show residents' swimming pools appearing to boil as they are pelted with large hailstones. Numerous posts show car windshields cracking or shattering as drivers attempt to pull under overpasses or onto the side of the road. In Del City, footage from residents shows residential streets transformed into small rivers carrying large amounts of ice debris due to clogged drainage ditches. Residents compared the size of the falling hail to everyday objects in their videos. Quarter-sized pieces and golf ball-sized pieces were found in abundance in the Oklahoma City metro area. The storm not only brought hail, but also a funnel cloud was captured in Collinsville, adding to the panic in the footage. Severe weather risk with large hail, strong winds for Saturday. Oklahoma faces a risk of severe weather on Saturday, with hail, strong winds, and heavy rain expected across the state, particularly west of I-35. Severe weather is expected for Saturday, with the potential for large hail, damaging winds and heavy rain across Oklahoma. Coco 5 Chief Meteorologist Damon Lane said highs on Saturday are forecast to climb into the mid to upper 80s, reaching about 90 degrees in western Oklahoma. The risk for severe weather is highest west of I-35, with a slight risk from Alva, Woodward, Sealing, Elk City, and areas to the south. For the metro area and regions south and east, the risk is marginal. The tornado index is on a 1 to 10 scale west of Interstate 35. Hail up to the size of golf balls and winds around 60 miles per hour remain possible. Storms are expected to fire off in western Oklahoma Saturday evening. The storms are expected to intensify as they move eastward, with storms possible in Norman by 10 p.m. Another round of storms is expected near Enid to Stillwater around midnight. As storms continue moving east, the severe weather threat will diminish early Sunday morning. Temperatures will cool early next week, with highs in the 70s and 80s on Monday and Tuesday.
It's foggy because of the rain. That's my fence back there, and you can't even see it.
This.
The extreme weather warning for Sunday, May 10, 2026, Mother's Day, indicates that Oklahoma remains in a very active weather pattern with an increased risk of flooding in addition to the threat of hail. The National Weather Service, NWS, warns of the potential for flash storms beginning early this morning. Thunderstorms are expected to be active from sunrise and continue throughout the morning and into the afternoon. The primary risk is in southern Oklahoma and areas along the I-40 corridor southward, as well as in northern Texas.